Lunchtime. This is gonna be tonight's campsite. We just had an awesome sail around the bend over there. Right there after my long fingernail. You can see some white caps out there. Anyways, I'm gonna stay over here where it's calm. Listen to the creek all night. For dinner I have instant potatoes and herring. Smoked herring. It's alright. I had a stick over there somewhere with some fishing line tied to it. It's hard to see with the sun low. Still no fish from the canoe. One of these days. Nora's still obsessed with the rock. We're getting ready to sleep in some 20 degrees weather and I'm a little cold already, so hopefully I catch a little bit more sunshine before the day is over and eat a warm meal. And go to bed warm at least. I'll see y'all in the morning unless something exciting happens before then. Good morning, people that watch these videos that make me feel not so much or maybe so much like a lonesome, crazy, I don't know, guy living in a canoe on a lake, just camping in it, not living in it. Anyways, I just made some coffee with my jet boil. It's better. What I figured out is I'm getting more organized too. It makes things easier to find. You just have to stretch it out every now and then that creates a good seal and you don't get coffee grinds in your coffee. Came over here to shoot the waterfalls. Probably all you hear is the whining dog that wants me to throw a stick, but there's waterfalls over there. And eagle is on the point over there. When I went out this morning, Nora, knock it off. I went out this morning out into the middle of this back end of the lake here to watch the sunrise on the mountains. 3 eagles soared in at different times and perched themselves over there on that point. There was a juvenile, which I got a bunch of pictures of, and then 2 larger ones. At one point, one of the larger ones took off and just did a big loop around. Nora, knock it off, for crying out loud. Stop. And then the juvenile took off after the big one and they just did a circle. They're fishing, they're steelhead. I saw a steelhead run up the creek last night. Or maybe it's a lake trout, I don't know, it was big. So I'm gonna go back over there today. Maybe I can get some shots of the fish running up the creek. Maybe I'll be the luckiest guy in the world today and get a shot of one of the eagles pulling a steelhead out of the creek. Or maybe the dog will just be quiet and not whine so much today. That would be nice. Nope. Alright. Enough of me. I think I might camp here tonight. Last night on Redfish Lake.